The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northeastern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Dixon, or 12 miles northeast of Sterling, moving northwest at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Tornado emergency for Dixon, Rock Falls, and Sterling. Hazard: deadly tornado and softball-size hail. Source: spotter confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Dixon around 4:21 p.m. Other places impacted by this tornado include Woosung, Polo, Brookville, and Lanark, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 111 and 126. A large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.